kick some lyrics like this. Come on.
Walk a fine chalk line and put the needle to the grind. Representing one kind, see you're not for the blind. Witness what I carry on bears a further purpose. From how we do slam a few, then you wanna purchase a dialogue of funk. You love to pop it in your trunk. I win more discipline than a Shaolin monk. Pete Rock and CL, well set to spark it. The powerful target to destroy the black market. But when you say black, listen, I don't know, you lose me. I guess another beggar can't afford to be choosy. I come to the maximum, artist on the major label. Any duplication of this one is fatal. On 125, I gotta hit you live, beat your ass with my tape, any race or shape. Cause if they got mine, they got yours too. But together, here's what we gotta do.
So I'm here with my boy Pablo. He comes to a lot of the shows, and I want to get some candid response on, what do you think of the Rooftop show?
I'm telling you right now, it's one of the best shows that we throw. At least we throw a couple a year. You know what? And honestly, I love going to each one of them. A lot of cars turn out. You meet a lot of people, and you know what? It's what we live for. It's what we do.
So far, this has been the best show of the year. I love the fact that it's on the roof. Everybody can see it from the highway. It's one of the craziest shows of the year. Nice.
Rooftop show, beautiful. First one, I hope there's another one. This is awesome. It turned out to be real good for the first show, and I hope to see the next one.